Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have only picked up 6 new colors from the release, which I know is so weird. I watched Talia's video and Selena's video, and I felt like I didn't need every color in this collection. Had to get that, had to get that. This I thought was pretty. I thought this would be a nice Christmas green. Obviously I need that. And then this is like Lincoln Park After Dark from OPI, so naturally I had to get that. So these are the colors I picked up. So if you want to watch me go through them, keep on watching. All right, moment of truth. Oh, sorry about my singing. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. I am so excited. This is supposed to be a color gel, so I'm gonna use my color gel brush. Look at this beauty. This is so pretty. This is gonna be amazing, amazing for the holiday time. I'm totally on board with this color. I really want that to show. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of purple. This is not showing up. It shows up more purple on the camera, but this is like a duochrome. Like it looks silver, and then it has that beautiful purple. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. All right, let's see if I'm right about this Christmas green. And I think I am, because look at that. It may be showing a little dark. That's okay. Yes, yes, and yes. This is another one that has like a different undertone. It almost, like if you were to, I don't know if that's showing. It has a little bit of a brown undertone. Like if I kind of scrape it away, I don't know if that's not picking up on camera. Or maybe it's just like a different color green undertone, like it's a double green or something. I don't know, but I just know it's really, really pretty. All right, here. This is the color I'm most excited about. And I break the seal. Yep, I'm feeling it. It looks black. I mean, I think you can kind of tell it's a purple. Yeah. So you can see it's a purple, but look at this. You know, this color would be really pretty with glass nails, but I want that dark purple. All right, moment of truth. I actually kind of forgot what this one looked like, because it had been probably 2 weeks since I saw it. And it definitely looks pretty. It definitely looks like a nice, what's the word I'm looking for? Like holiday color, like a kind of like lighter holiday color. Does that make sense? Kind of like a sweet holiday color. And I'm glad it's not like clowning around. For me, clowning around was too sparse. I think there wasn't like enough fine glitter for me personally, where this one has all that nice gold fine glitter. Getting a little messy here. I float mine on, so I don't mind Just taking my time, doing my swatch, adding more where I need to. But I really like this. I would not consider, I feel like people are saying this is a rose gold. I can't say that it's a rose gold. It definitely looks more rose gold on camera than it does in real life because there's a lot of gold in here. Although I feel like maybe, no. My studio lights are washing it out, but it's beautiful. I just don't necessarily know if I consider it a rose gold, but on camera it literally looks like it. All right. Oh yes, this is lovely. I am 100% on board with this one already. This is more of a champagne gold. Like it's not that like hot yellow gold. Do you know what I mean? This is right up my alley and actually, in my opinion, perfect for the holidays. Do you guys know, you know their new buttercream, what is it? Gold Bug, is that, I wanna say that's what it was. It just came out not too long ago. Like it was in their last buttercream collection. I think it was fall buttercream. I wanna say that's what it was. And that was their first glitter buttercream. I think this is a little bit more yellow than that, but that is my ideal gold. It's a champagne-ish gold, not like a yellow gold. And I love the multicolor flecks in here. I don't know if that's showing up. Ugh, so pretty. This is what I'm so excited for. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, if you could pick up one color, this would be your color. I am obsessed. This is like, you guys know the Aurora Flakes. Everyone has their own, but it's that like blue with that pink. That is this glitter right here. Yep, you're welcome. Go buy it. I just want to stare at this and put this on my nails right now, and I'm really sad that they're not. The glitter I used in Selena's Technique in this one was Radiant. I was waiting for this glitter and I needed to change my nails, and if you followed my vlogs on my other channel, you'll know the debacle it's been. Oh my goodness. I'm like blown away. Look at that beautifulness. Even beautifulness shouldn't have too much on the swatch, even though again, I do a lot. All right, let's get to swatching. This one, I don't have anything to compare it to really. So this is Joan Crawford, which is a like shards one. This is gold, which it looks like it uses some of gold's little pieces, like the little, I don't know. I feel like I'm way overexposed. Is that hard to see? Is that better? No, because that doesn't even look gold now. So yeah, that's gold, but there's only fine. And then this is their new Gold Bug, which again is like my favorite, although that looks silver. I don't know, my camera's doing weird things. And then this is Pewter by Accents. Everything else is LE. Yeah, that's all I have to compare it to, which, you know, it happens. Here are my pinks. So this is Cheers from Down Under, which is gonna definitely fall Here's Accents Pink Diamond, which that's pretty close, just different shapes. This is a leaf gel, Accents is a leaf gel, and this one is obviously not a leaf gel, but they're pretty comparable as far as color. This is obviously more dense, the Accents one. So this is French Press, which is also a gold and rose gold, but the rose gold chunks in this one are fine, and Cheers from Down Under are the larger ones. So in reality, if you have some large rose gold chunkies, which actually I do now that I think about it, you could probably get away with French Press and then just add those in. This is Champagne. This is Rose Gold Leaf, which doesn't look very rose gold. This is Betty Davis, which looks like they used a larger version of Betty Davis's little flecks there, and then we're getting into purples now. So let's go with Swing by Sweden. This is, I'm holding this really weird. This is Little Beezy, which has some holographic but also different shapes. This is Sequin of Events, which is a little bit more yellow. I've said that quite a few times. This is Snow Queen with this ring, which is kind of like an over thing. This is Big Diamond, Tiny Diamond, whoop, Tiny Diamond, and then Diamond. As you can see, I don't have anything in like the silveries. Let's see. I have blues, but I don't know. I mean, that's Apple Teeny. That has pink and green. This is blue and pink. Yeah, I don't really have, this one, Snow Cone. It might be Snow Cone's big brother. Like if you put that over it, which you wouldn't think so, but this is also, whoop, yep. This is also blue and purple, blue and pink. So the tones are very similar, even though it may not seem similar on camera. And then none of those compare. So I don't really have comparisons for these glitters, which I'm sure you can figure out by now. I'm doing that on purpose. I'm trying to pick up things that I don't have similar into my collection. So let's move on to Ice Skating in Iceland. These aren't really, this isn't a glitter. However, it is kind of ish a glitter. This is with this ring. Nope, not even in frame. It almost looks like they took that and made a large amount of it. So I don't know. But if you were to use a lot of with this ring, which you would never get it to this opacity, but it's pretty similar as far as like undertones. Nothing over here. This is Disco. Again, sorry, off camera. This is Princess Welcomes, which this is like, I feel like this is a little bit green and pink. I feel like there might be a little bit of green in this, but I feel like it might be a pewter but like it's not that far off. Like if we're really gonna compare it, the reflects on this one, this Princess Welcome is green, and then Skating in Iceland is purple. So it's almost like, you know when you buy those holographic powders, there's always one that has like a blue and there's one that always has like a yellow green. It's complement to that. So I really am excited for that one. All right, Taiwan and Taiwan. All I have to compare it is Ringmaster. And Ringmaster, I'm gonna do this. I don't know, that may have made it worse. This is more green. I mean, Ringmaster is pretty green. I don't know, this obviously has a shimmer to it. It's almost like a pearl, and this is a cream for Ringmaster. They're definitely different shades. I think you can see the Taiwan in Taiwan in Taiwan is a little bit more of a Christmas green, and this is more of like a hunter green. And I don't have anything else. This is like to thank the Academy. Actually, that's what I'm wearing. Yeah, that's all she wrote. Oh, there is a backward swatch on here. So here is Meandering in Moscow. Oh, this one might be pretty close. No. This is Cup of Ambition, which definitely is more purple. Like that is a blue purple, where this is more of a purple. Like a violet purple. This is, I'm struggling. You know what I should have done? I should have switched hands. That's probably my problem. This is Sexy Lexi. Compare, yeah, it's because I'm using my wrong hands. So that's the 3 there. I mean, is there really a difference? Yeah, but would someone really notice a difference? Maybe, but probably not. This is Edgar Allan Purpo. This is Main Attraction, which is one of their newer ones. And I feel like, especially with the swatch right here, I could have gotten away without this color, but it looks like so much like that Linkin Park After Dark, I had to. I would say that's really close, except for that has shimmer to it and this one doesn't. But this one I feel like you can get really dark black purple, where this one is always going to have that purple shine. Does that make sense? Like this can look dark black purple, where this is a dark purple with some shimmer. I hope that makes sense. And then this is Fast Lane, which is definitely more red. And here's one that is backwards. This is Telltale Heart, which is almost, it's actually pretty similar, but this is more of a red purple than this one, obviously, but it has that shimmer again. So obviously, I don't really have comparisons to these, and I did that on purpose because I would like new colors without repeating the colors as well. So that's kind of my, I wouldn't say struggle at the moment, but I definitely am more conscious of the colors I'm picking up, where before I used to just buy like everything because why not? It's here. So I'll push these kind of together. This was probably one of my favorite collections in a while, I'm gonna be honest. I do like the last 2 buttercream collections they released, and I think the last color collection, there were definitely some in there that I really liked, but I felt like it wasn't as special as this one is. I don't know if it's just the season or what, but this one feels truly special and truly nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.